Good morning, everybody. Dear students, today we are going to start the geography part of social science of standard 10. You all know that other subjects video lectures are going on, but in SS, as our teacher James sir retired last year, so it was difficult to manage, but don't worry. Now Praful sir and myself, Deepak Desai, we will lead you for the subject of social science, and I will take care of the geography part, and sir will take care of history part, and economics also will be taken care by us. Now today we will start the unit 8, natural resources. You all know, students, that the natural resources are very important part of our life. From very ancient times, nature has supported human beings very well. Without nature, we cannot think of life. Generally, we get the life from nature only. The two most essential things, water and air. Water to drink and to grow each and everything. And air, what we say oxygen for us, carbon dioxide for the vegetation and all, it is necessary. It is totally free. We don't have to pay. But if we don't take care of nature, it may happen that in future you must have to pay. So let us start the lesson. Natural resources. I request all the students to keep the book with them when the lesson is going on. Natural resources are elements which we can utilize as resource through our knowledge and expertise. In past, man led to a nomadic life. Nomadic life means he was like animals today, the stray animals and all. He going here and there and collecting whatever he gets, he used to eat or consume for him. Then slowly he learned farming and all. And before that, he was food gatherer. He used to collect fruits or leaves or herbs, whatever he thought it must be eatable, he was eating. Then he became food producer. Slowly he settled down, and then he started agriculture. Then with the use of science and technology from centuries, slowly in the past era and in the present era, this science and technology is the most important part which helps us to use the natural resources. Now resources are of different types. In that, we have to understand this thing. Resources are made of the interactions of three things: nature, man and culture. Nature you understand very well, what we say Kudrat, Prakruti. But man, here man means man and woman, young and old, children and aged, everyone it is. But culture makes us different from animals and different things. We have to develop a different type of culture. Here we say that we have Indian culture, Western culture, many different types of words or adjectives are used with culture. But what actually culture means, how we take care of nature and the resources provided them by the nature to us. So we will study about the nature and natural resources. So in the next topic, I will explain you what are the different use of resources.